You can put out posters and you can put out, all flyers. They don't speak the language.
A grassroots effort now underway here in Utah to make sure everyone can get the COVID-19 vaccine.
As Fox 13's Ben Winslow reports, they're focusing on communities where language and technology may be barriers.
Behind me is a special clinic set up for members of Utah's Muslim community who cross a number of racial and ethnic boundaries. It's part of a push to make sure the COVID-19 vaccine is available to all.
Nancy, you have your vaccination card?
Members of Utah's Muslim community drive into a special clinic set up here.
I didn't even believe I can get it, because my community sent me a test. I'm like, oh, let me take it, let me take a shot.
Do you have any questions for me? Relax, relax.
Where they're given the COVID-19 vaccine.
We have a team who calls them, schedules them, makes it easy. They come in, they see familiar faces, their trust gets enforced. We still have a long way to go. Our community does have a lot of, let's say, angst against the vaccination.
The Utah Muslim Civic League is spearheading the effort to ensure members of their community get their shot. Many don't watch the news or read flyers or posters.
So how are you doing today?
We serve every mosque, every service organization, and have been able to build a network that they trust.
And the effort is welcome.
What you need to help, what you need vaccine.
The state and local health departments are trying to make sure vaccine distribution is equitable.
Just because a vaccine is available and you're eligible for a vaccine doesn't necessarily mean that it's accessible to someone.
So they're partnering with nonprofit and community groups to reach people.
We know that these communities have historically been underserved, and for very good reasons they have distrust with government agencies. So that's why it is so important for us to work with those partner organizations that are trusted voices that can help us amplify that message and let them know that the vaccine is safe, it works, and it is available for them.
In the case of this clinic, it crosses a number of demographics.
Muslim identity is not a monolith.
The Salt Lake County Health Department has even taken vaccine clinics inside local mosques.
It's much easier because they send out the text via the mosque saying this is when the community is opening it up.
To ensure that everyone has a fair shot.
Way easy, so I don't even feel that I get shot.
Health departments across the state are engaged in efforts like this to reach underserved populations. The lieutenant governor says what they're limited by right now is the amount of vaccine doses. In Salt Lake City, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News.